Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your update on Ripple or XRP. Just wanted to do a quick update on that since yesterday didn't make an update because there was, well, barely any movement. It was the weekend, of course, even though most cryptos actually did move quite a lot, as most of you probably know. XRP did not. Overall, XRP did move a lot on Saturday and Friday, as you know, so the volume over the course of yesterday, for the most part, actually continued dropping down. Then we got a huge spike around the change of days. For XRP was not that high. I mean, for Bitcoin, of course, it was a huge bump. For XRP, not that much. Like, sure, found some support, but that was also partially because of the technicals. So the situation for XRP has not really changed since the last time I made a video on Friday. Now, what has changed is the circumstances and all of the factors around it. All right, so I just wanted to make an update on that. I think most of you can appreciate that. Let me know if you do. But that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, though, I do want to briefly remind you, most of you know, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. I have my own premium group. I share my own trades in there. You gain access to a chat room full of traders, access to a trading guide. Very valuable. Example of a trade is this rally we caught right here. But yeah, links will be down in the description if that sounds interesting. For now, let's get into XRP. So the main analysis last time around, or at least my main analysis, was that XRP got a lot of bullish momentum right here. I think that was partially maybe manipulated, but also because of the news, all right, that they did not acquire Fortress. I think that's overall seen as something bullish, to be honest. I would see it if I was an investor in Ripple. I would say that's bullish. Given the history and given the company of Fortress. But that meant that XRP was very bullish, dropped down from this major resistance level between 53 and 54 cents, down to the 200 EMA, and that's where we ended last video. Last video I said, all right, well, we'll find support here. From this support, if we want XRP to stay bullish, because technically I do think, at least on the 4-hour time frame, that you can make the argument that XRP is bullish right now, but what would need to happen to support that and to confirm that is a bullish breakout above 53 cents, which will then break above 53 cents, then hold it as support. That's a sustained bullish breakout, and then XRP could continue going up towards 55.5 and 56 and 56.5 cents. So that's still the situation. We're waiting for if XRP is able to break above 53 cents again. And when we're looking at some statistics, what you'll see is that it's still, even though Bitcoin got that huge move overnight and XRP most certainly did not, they're still very correlated, all right? Still in terms of like 77% correlated, or 0.77, doesn't matter. So the big question is, in my eyes, because I don't think XRP on its own has that much momentum, because the volume is actually pretty low. Like if you compare the volume with what it was when it got that spike, you would not say that this is enough volume to get a bullish breakout like that again. Now, obviously the circumstances in the market are more bullish, so you don't need as much volume, but it's an indication. So in my eyes, it will all depend on what Bitcoin does, which is very boring, but I do think it's the truth. So Bitcoin is going to be testing this level right here around 28,500 essentially. And the big question is will it be able to hold its own after touching that level? Because if Bitcoin gets to that level and then drops down all the way to 27,500 again, technically it's still bullish, but that would mean that XRP will probably fall down like this. So to summarize and to conclude, the only way I think XRP is able to get this bullish breakout is if Bitcoin is able to get towards 28,500, 28,700 and to hold 28,000 at least as a support after hitting that level. Then I think XRP will be able to break above 53 cents and rally up higher. Otherwise, it's just more likely that it will find resistance there, maybe spike towards 54, but then drop down, and then ultimately drop down towards 50.5 and 50 cents to get into some sort of a consolidation. So yeah, that's my full take. That's my full analysis on XRP right now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week, a profitable week, and take care. Bye.